Hey everyone, welcome back to Noor Telecom. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy repair for your iPhone 13. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is not working. Let's get started. Disassembling the phone. Disconnect all flex from the motherboard. Removing the motherboard. Removing soft protectors. Place the motherboard in a layered heating system to disassemble the sandwich motherboard. Going to microscopic view. Showing some connection points are missing. Apply soldering paste through a soldering iron on both layer connectors. Cleaning the connectors through soldering wick. Cleaning the missing points. Adding new points. Applying paste. Applying UV light. Cleaning dust. Again, place it in a layered heating system to assemble the sandwich motherboard. Assembling the phone. Testing the phone. It's working normally. And that's it. You've successfully resolved iPhone 13 Wi-Fi problem. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Noor Telecom for more tech tips and repair guides. Got any questions or need further assistance? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.